So guys, we will factory reset and FRB the Vivo device of Vivo Y90 with Chimera Tool. Now we will turn off the device and connect with the PC without press any key. The Chimera Tool will automatically connect device in boot room. Now you can see the device is connected with PC and going in boot room, initializing. After the procedure, Chimera Tool will show us the processes and options. Now the device in boot room, simply we will the factory set or FRB as you want. Now the factory set in successfully. Now disconnect the mobile and press and hold the power key for 30 seconds. Now you can see the device is on successfully.